Pattern English.
Take.
Take has a lot of meanings.
Let's explore 8 of its uses.
Let's get started.
The use of take one, to physically grasp or carry something.
I will take the orange.
I will take the orange.
I'll take the book from the shelf.
I'll take the book from the shelf.
Can you take my hand?
Can you take my hand?
Don't forget to take your umbrella.
Don't forget to take your umbrella.
She took the dog on a walk.
She took the dog on a walk.
She took off her mask.
She took off her mask.
I took a deep breath.
I took a deep breath.
The use of take two, to use a mode of transportation.
I take the bus to work every day.
I take the bus to work every day.
I always take the subway.
I always take the subway.
She took a taxi to the airport.
She took a taxi to the airport.
She's taking a flight to Paris tomorrow.
She's taking a flight to Paris tomorrow.
Let's take a boat ride.
Let's take a boat ride.
They took the tram around the city.
They took the tram around the city.
Can I take the next train?
Can I take the next train?
The use of take three, to consume medicine or drugs.
You should take 3 tablets a day.
You should take 3 tablets a day.
He needs to take his medication every morning.
He needs to take his medication every morning.
I need to take my vitamins.
I need to take my vitamins.
She takes her medicine before meals.
She takes her medicine before meals.
He forgot to take his painkiller.
He forgot to take his painkiller.
Should I take an aspirin?
Should I take an aspirin?
The doctor said to take the medicine twice a day.
The doctor said to take the medicine twice a day.
The use of take four, to require time or effort.
The project will take a lot of effort.
The project will take a lot of effort.
It takes 3 hours to bake this cake.
It takes 3 hours to bake this cake.
The journey will take about 2 days.
The journey will take about 2 days.
Success takes hard work.
Success takes hard work.
The puzzle took a long time to complete.
The puzzle took a long time to complete.
It takes me 30 minutes to get to work.
It takes me 30 minutes to get to work.
It takes time to heal the wounds of the heart.
It takes time to heal the wounds of the heart.
The use of take 5, to accept or receive.
He took the prize gratefully.
He took the prize gratefully.
They won't take credit cards here.
They won't take credit cards here.
She took the gift with a smile on her face.
She took the gift with a smile on her face.
I took his advice seriously.
I took his advice seriously.
Can you take a message for me?
Can you take a message for me?
You don't take reservations.
We don't take reservations.
She took the opportunity to study abroad.
She took the opportunity to study abroad.
The use of take 6, to understand or interpret.
How did you take his joke?
How did you take his joke?
I don't know how to take her comments.
I don't know how to take her comments.
I wasn't sure how to take her sudden laughter.
I wasn't sure how to take her sudden laughter.
Did you take his words seriously?
Did you take his words seriously?
How am I supposed to take that gesture?
How am I supposed to take that gesture?
I don't know how to take his comments.
I don't know how to take his comments.
I hope you didn't take his criticism to heart.
I hope you didn't take his criticism to heart.
The use of take 7, to capture a photo or video.
Can you take a photo of us?
Can you take a photo of us?
He's taking shots of the sunset.
He's taking shots of the sunset.
Let's take a selfie.
Let's take a selfie.
She took a video of their dance.
She took a video of their dance.
I'll take a picture of you.
I'll take a picture of you.
They took pictures all vacation.
They took pictures all vacation.
He's taking a video of the event.
He's taking a video of the event.
The use of take 8 to participate in an activity or event.
He's taking part in a marathon.
He's taking part in a marathon.
I'm taking a pottery class.
I'm taking a pottery class.
She took a dance lesson last week.
She took a dance lesson last week.
They're taking a workshop on photography.
They're taking a workshop on photography.
Are you taking any courses this semester?
Are you taking any courses this semester?
I'm taking a cooking class.
I'm taking a cooking class.
She's taking a yoga course this summer.
She's taking a yoga course this summer.
You've done a nice job. If you liked this video, please subscribe and like. I hope you continue to study hard.
I will come back with a better video next time.
Thanks for watching this video.
Pattern English.